What's up guys, this is Seth from Dark Waters Fly Shop, and today I'm going to show you 5 fly fishing hacks in under 3 minutes. Here you go. Alright, so for the first one we're talking about the loop on the end of your fly line right here. Some people like these braided loops and they think those are awesome. I don't. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut that off. I'm going to go ahead and replace that with a perfection loop tied into some 30-pound monofilament. There you go, right there. There's your line tied with your perfection loop right to it. It makes for perfect storage. And there you go. For tip number 2, when you're threading the line through the eyelets of your rod, have you ever gotten more than halfway up, let go of your line, and then had all that line come falling out the end of your rod? To avoid that, fold your fly line in half. Put it through that loop so that when you drop your line, boom, it catches right there. For tip number 3, if you're worried about reeling in your fly line past your leader and you don't want to do that because it's a pain in the butt to get it all out, take your fly, connect it about halfway up your fly rod, bring your line back and wrap it around the butt section of your fly rod on the heel of your rod, and you'll be tied up just like that. You'll have nothing to worry about. Your flies are there, and now you didn't have to reel in past the tip of your leader. Alright, so just like we made that perfection loop on the end of our fly line, as you know, many of you will make dry fly leaders on the fly depending on the fly, get it? Depending on how long of a presentation you need to the fish. But why don't we do that with sink tip leaders? I don't know, I do. So what I do is I take airflow, just cut that open, carry this spool with you so that you can on the fly, get it? On the fly, you can make sink tips that are gonna suit your need on the river as long as you want. Just cut it, perfection loop, nail knot, done. Most of you are aware of the fancy bow and arrow cast, right? Where you take your rod and you shoot the slack and it shoots into a confined area. But what a lot of you don't know is you can rip out fly line. You can take the fly line and pull it all the way down, so you don't actually have to hang on to the fly itself. You can hang up further on the fly line and you can take that, you can hang on right here. My fly's all the way down here, but if you take that bow and arrow cast, you hold it back and you shoot that thing, it'll flip and pick up that whole leader and throw it out there for you. So alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. That was 5 fly fishing hacks in under 3 minutes.